what's up, ladies and gents? Do you need a phone mount for your receiver to get some good footage of your remote control car, doing some good bashing or whatever you may be doing? Got the part right for you, 6532. Stay tuned for the install. Alright, like I said, we're going to take this Traxxas phone mount and we're going to mount it to the receiver. Comes with directions and everything, so it shouldn't be too hard, but we're going to see what we got here. Got a few parts in the bag. Of course, directions. Looks like a little pad so your phone won't get scratched up while it's inside the mount. This is the actual mount that your phone will go in and kind of, I think it goes, kind of, it has a little lever on the back. You just squeeze a little lever and it adjusts for your phone, so you can squeeze it. You squeeze it and you slide your phone in there, like so. And hold your phone like this. So now we got to take this and mount this onto here. They got a couple different options that come in this. I usually have scissors, excuse me. Usually got a couple different options that come with this. Got a little mount to slide in at the bottom, which I believe is for like older receivers, or it might go on here. I'm not sure. The way I seen it and the way I understood the best use for it is to put it up here. I won't be using this. So first off, we have to take the mount here. Let's see what we got. Look like it's pretty much assembled here. Just about. Yeah, looks like it's pretty much done all the work. So we could take this mount, and I believe it clips right on here like so. And put it in the proper area wherever you want it. And you tighten your clamp down with the screw right here on the side. And this right here, this one tightens the different angle you might want to take. So what we're gonna do is, let me get a closer view on that for y'all won't see. So this one right here tightens it to hold it hold it on here. Here we go. So this one right here is to tighten it up to actually hold that right on here like that. So you tighten it up like so. And this one right here is for adjusting this part. So, which wherever your phone is going to be set up at. So you got that on there like that. You take your rubber phone mount. And you're going to take your phone mount and you're just going to, I'll say center it. Just so your phone won't be scratched up against it. So boom. You got it on, you got it centered, and this is adjustable, so like I say, you can adjust it wherever you need it. The best way to adjust it is when it's loose. So loosen it up, twist it, turn it, rotate it any way you want. Okay, so now that we got that on there, let's take a phone. Let's put it on camera. This is the phone I actually be using, is the phone I'm recording with. This is just my backup iPhone, but of course, you know, the backup phone gotta have a Traxxas. You know what I'm saying? There you go. Which is gonna come in handy too, because if I want to read all the telemetry stuff and make some setting changes, it's right here on the mount. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this like that. I say, you know, if you're gonna be using a video, put the mount towards like the opposite side, but not too far so it won't hang up, fall over, but just so you don't cover up the cameras. So like I said, you squeeze this right here. Squeeze that to however big you need it. You slide your camera in there, or your phone in there, and there you go, like so. So you're gonna make adjustments to whatever you need to do. Like if you need your camera to look down some and look up some, just make the proper adjustments. And I actually think that's pretty good. You'll be looking at your car like, and turning, and you'll be able to keep up and get some good footage. So just for example, I'll show y'all how it's mounted on there. See, holds on there pretty good. You just do your thing and you go to work. So Traxxas 6532 phone mount is good for doing some video footage when you're driving your car, and it's good for having your Traxxas Link software right in front of your face too. So if I want to make some adjustments, if I want to go to my speedometer and stuff, see how fast I'm going, it's right there. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. Make sure y'all subscribe. It's a 6532 phone mount for the transmitter. Starts very easy. Appreciate y'all watching the video. SharkLife RC. Make sure you subscribe to the channel.